Go. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Kurt A-Roll coming to you with a project that I'm doing. Here recently I bought a pressure washer and I pressure washed this playground here, and it was looking real ugly, as you may see. Now what I'm doing is applying stain to it. So if you got something, playground, fence, anything, whatever the case may be, getting stain on it once a year to every 2 years is definitely something that you want to be trying to do. All right, so yeah, at least every 2 years you want to try to get some stain on it, try to prolong the life of the wood and keep it protected from the weather. Huh? That's the right foot. So as you can see, I'm applying it with a roller. And I started off with a sprayer that I bought from Lowe's, which is that sprayer right there. If you're considering doing such job, you definitely want to do it with the roller. And if you may want to get a brush to get little crevices, but the roller is the way to go. You're gonna waste a lot of this stuff here trying to apply it with a sprayer. It's overspray, and then it doesn't spray out evenly. On the outer edges it's spraying like a straight stream, and in the middle it's spraying what you're looking for, but you're not getting it on the whole spray, so you're wasting a lot of spray. So something to keep in mind there. But yeah, I just want to come to you, share with you what I'm working on, how it's coming out, turning out. I mean, it's not hard to do. Just I've been out here for about 4 hours, so but I'm about to be wrapping it up now. So I hope this video was helpful. I put a picture in here just so you can see what the 1 gallon is enough to do this playground if you're using a roller. And if you spray, you're gonna lose a lot. That's the road I was headed down, so I quickly changed up what I was doing and I started using this technique here. So other than that though, that's all to it. I mean, on the playground with the yellow stuff that's coated like this, it'll wipe clean, and you know, you just use your technique of moving. Watch out, boy, move. Just use a technique of moving the wood around to apply it to the steps and things of that nature. Stay off of that. Daddy working on it. Daddy. You can just watch. Alright, so that's all to it. This is your boy Kurt A-Roll coming to you live. And yeah, in case you haven't noticed, that's what I had to put up when I was spraying, because it was going everywhere. But yeah, it's all to it. Just make sure you put a good pressure wash on it, give it a day or two to dry up, and then you go back out. Get off, do not get on that. Give it about a day or two to dry up and come back out there and heat it with the finish. You should be good to go. And that there you have a finished project. Coated everything from the rooter to the tutor. Give it a fresh new look. Down it looks better than it did day one. So hey, this is how you bring life back to your playground. So it's your boy Kurt A-Roll. I hope you got something from the video. It wasn't too in-depth or anything, just a little show and tell. All right, you enjoy your day. Peace. Please like, share, and subscribe.